Welcome back to ThinkCapital. Today we are sitting with Faizan, a founder trader who recently hit a milestone. We're not just talking about profit today, we're breaking down strategies and psychological shifts it took to get there. So if you're looking to scale up your trading, pay close attention to how Faizan approached risk. So let's dive in. Thank you for joining me today. Could you please introduce yourself, tell us where you're joining from, and also a little bit about your trading journey?
Myself, Faizan. I'm from India. I am trading since 2-3 years. I am trading ThinkCapital since 2-3 months. I got an account in giveaway. I passed. I then cleared the evaluation phases. Bit slow, but did it and got the opportunity. And I took my first payout from ThinkCapital. First payout of my journey from ThinkCapital with the giveaway account.
That's wonderful. So, do you remember the first moment you discovered trading? And what made you actually choose trading?
I was searching for a career. I am in gaming. I was thinking of esports. But things changed. I got introduced to trading by options trading from some influencers. Then I got to know about Forex trading and then CFDs, then prop firms.
In my own early days, I think it was on YouTube. I saw an ad. I was trying to make a quick money, just looking for a side hustle. So yeah, and that's how I was able to get into. But then I basically don't know what I was actually getting into because the road became really, really tough. So I want to ask you, what are your early struggles? What are the struggles you faced when you started?
In starting, I don't have any back. I don't have capital. That time I was working, but I left job thinking trading will support me in initial phases. I wasn't ready for that. I was not a professional. I was a newbie in trading. I think I will buy from here and I will take this much monthly. This figure I will hit 2K, 3K dollar monthly. I was dreaming, but the reality hits when you experience this.
While you were going through that, struggling with, actually becoming profitable in trading, what is that thing that actually kept you?
I was I don't want to work for whole life. I don't want. I don't want to work for 9 to 5 for someone else. I don't want to follow someone's calls to you are late. Why are you not here today? Why are you taking holidays? I don't want to work under anybody. I want my freedom. That's why I chose trading. I chose. I was about to quit, but I think, what can I do if I can't do this? What should I do? What will I do? I don't have anything to do. I don't want to work for someone else. I worked for 4 years for I was salesman in a fabric shop. But the thing is, when you taste the trading, when you taste the profits from trading, you can't go back to another field.
Yeah, trading bring the feel of independence, and it also has a very big promise that you can actually achieve it really, really big if you actually know what you're doing, which is something I also really love about trading. That's basically what actually drew me to trading too as well. I want to ask you, what is one big truth about trading that beginners usually learn the hard way?
I think trading is not that much easy. Beginners think that trading will make you rich in 2-3 weeks or 2-3 months, or mostly they think I will be rich in few days. Not working, I am just buying, selling. I can make a lot of money with working my phone. People think it's over easy. It's not that much easy. You have to work for your psychology. Or you have to read charts. You have to give this thing time. When you give it time, when you give it consistency, you can make it with a good platform like ThinkCapital and other good platforms. You can make it. There are some scams in market. They are selling their cheap evaluations, but they are not giving you anything. They gonna waste your time. You traded in evaluation, then they doesn't allow to you to trade in funded accounts. They ban you, or they they add some shit rules, hidden rules. But some transparent firms can make you grow.
I want us to talk a little bit about your trading strategy because I mean, trading strategy is another very important in trading. Can you like tell us like what is that one setup that you trust the most?
I just come to my charts for New York
Okay.
session. I just mark price midnight open, and then I will wait for 8:30, 9:30 to I see prices trading upside downside from the midnight. Like
Oh, okay.
today premium. I consider price if price is above midnight, I consider it as a premium zone. I will look for
Ah, okay.
cells like with daily bias. I confirm this. I add both as a confluence.
How best can you explain it to someone who is just starting to trade?
I want to tell them like my style is I will mark midnight open, then I shift my chart to 1 hour, then I mark highs and lows. Once it
Okay.
sweep low, then I shift to 1 minute and then look for IFVG. Then I
Ah,
just take buys if price is below midnight, and I take sells if price is above midnight.
okay, okay. You basically do this in London session or New York session?
Only New York session. I only New York
Okay.
session.
Okay. I want us to shift a little bit from strategy to actually talk about risk management, right? Because
Mm.
I know that if you have a good strategy and you don't have a proper risk
Risk
management,
management.
it's going to be a big issue, right? So, how do you personally think about risk management when you're entering a trade?
I risk less in funded phase, but I risk a bit more in evaluation phases. Like in evaluation, you can risk 1% to 1.5% a trade, but you
Okay.
have to be like you can't overtrade. You have to be very disciplined. You have to take just one or two trade, one trade max. If you are thinking of 2 3 trades, you have to take less risk than 1%. Don't use overall drawdown. Like my daily drawdown is 4%. I want to trade till 3.5%. Like you can stop your trading if your day is not good. You can stop trading, and you can stop your trading if your one trade is good. Like I go for high RR trades, 1:5, 1:3, like minimum 1:3, 1:5, 1:7. I risk less in that trades. Like if I am getting an opportunity of 1:10 trade, I risk like 0.5% and try to hold trade. I just trail my SL.
Do you have like a stop trading rule in your strategy? If I lose two trades or I lose three trades in a day, I'm not going to trade again. Do you have anything like that in
Yes,
your strategy?
yes. If I lose 2 3 trades and I am like I am down 2 3%, 2 3%. It's not like I don't lose that much. I lose 1.5% and I will close the trade. Matlab, I will close the day.
Nice. What about days where you're having drawdown? How do you stay disciplined?
I just manage my risk and I take less risk as much as I can. Like if I am in drawdown, suppose I am taking 1% risk when I am like normal trading days. But when I am in drawdown, I take 0.5% risk or 0.3% risk.
Uh,
I will risk less until I get back my winning streak.
okay. Is it something that you struggle with during your early stage?
I have blown many challenges. Like I want to in early stages, I want to recover it as soon as possible. If I am down 2%, I was like I want to recover it soon as possible. I want to recover it today, not tomorrow. Not like I was impatient that time in my early stages. I don't want to close in red. I don't want to close in negative. I only want to close in positive, green, plus 2%, 3%. That was my psychology before. But I have bit experience now.
Okay. Let's quickly dive back into ThinkCapital. So,
Hmm.
Faizan, what made you choose ThinkCapital?
I heard about ThinkCapital. That ThinkCapital from I heard from influencer like Zamco Capital. About ThinkCapital from him. He is a good trader. I wasn't trying ThinkCapital because of drawdowns. Like we have less drawdowns compared to other firms. But when I got an opportunity of giveaway, I think I want to try, and I got an account. Then I tried. Like I loved the trading conditions, like less spreads, tight spreads, and wow executions. Like Think Capital have best trading app. I face some issues, but support team is very good. They help as soon as they can.
All right. So when it comes to like trading wise with Think Capital, has anything helped you maybe from our trading tools? You know, we have trading directly on TradingView. We also have
Hmm.
Think Trader where you can actually trail your stop loss, you know, stop loss calculators and all that. So has any of these two actually helped you to become profitable,
Yes,
more profitable?
Think Capital have like best app. Like Think Trader is a good app. Like MT5, sometime MT5 stucks, but Think Capital app is like it have some good things compared to MT5. Think Capital app doesn't stuck much, and fast executions with tight spreads. MT5 got widened spreads sometimes, but Think Capital maintain like it's helpful for us.
Yeah. What do you think separates successful traders from the ones who are still struggling?
I just want to set some rules for trading. I don't trade much. If my conditions are met in market, I want 2 3 conclusions. Market is sweeping my liquidity, this liquidity, or prices that much prices in premium, or set some rules. If market is following your rules, if you are getting conditions to trade, then trade only. If market is not giving you that much, but you are feeling that this trade gonna play, avoid that days. In trading, discipline plays 80% of role. Other things just they are not that much effective. Discipline is the main key to be profitable traders.
What advice would you give to new traders?
Like don't trade multiple sessions, trade one session only, and trade bit less, 2 3 trades max a day. If you are taking multiple trades, you can risk less. Like you can divide your risk, set your risk per day. I just risk 1.5% per day. If I'm losing that, if I'm in losing streak, I just split my risk percentage in multiple trades. I just take more trades, but in less lots. Like I trade small lots in losing days.
You said you prefer to just reduce your risk, right? When you see that you're having some losing days, which is something very fantastic.
If I get 2 3 winning days, if I am risking 0.5%, but I am getting 1:6, 1:8 RR trade, I am already up to 4 5%. Like if I am getting break even 2 3 times, but still I am getting 3 4% profits, that is my buffer, and then I can risk a bit more for upcoming trades. I love trading. I am obsessed with trading right now. The old me was I want to make money, that's why I am choosing trading. Today I am not like that old guy. I just love trading. I want to trade. I am not choosing anything else. I am not looking for any other opportunities. I am not searching for any other career options.
So would you rather say you prefer to trade your personal account or you prefer to trade Profem account?
Profem's account, because
Any day,
Profem gives
anytime.
you profit. Yes.
Yeah, fantastic. That's all the question I have for you, Faizan. Thank you so much for joining.
Yes. Thank you.
Diving. And that was Faizan. To apply for your own funding and join ThinkCapital community, click the link in the bio and see you on the next one. Bye, guys.